Beautiful, my love. Salar, hello. I'm from Philippines. You say salon name. Ah, okay. Ah, you know the salon name. The wood in the high. Where you live? Sarjamuela. Ah, okay. Thank you, Chuck. Rujal, hello. Sajal, say hello. Oh. Take me on cam. Go. Muhammad, hello. Basit, hello. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Dear, please. Muhammad Kemad, hello. Thank you. Nice? What kind of nice? Check, please. No video. Supreme Shadow. Supreme Shadow. Help me for this. Big Boss, thank you. Replace me with the pen. This one, 500 dirham, I will remove. I will remove 500 dirham. How are you, dear? I am good. You? How are you, my love? I miss you so much. Muhammad, who's this? I don't know you. Gulazimelo, Razamelo, give me your hair. This hair, oh. Say na po. Mine. And then, honest, buy this one, 500 dirham. And then, help me this one. Thank you. And then, help me this one. And then, money gone. Where are you from? I am from Philippines. Thank you, Rojal. Money gone. And then, 500. Yes, this one 500. Wow, you don't trust me? This one 500. Niloloko mo ako, nasa trabaho na daw siya yun. Yo talaga. Kasi ballpen pa lang mahal na. Alam mo yan. Oo nga. O nasa TikTok ka pa. Sorry, I can't believe. You don't can, yun I see. Nasa trabaho ako. Ikaw nasa trabaho. Darla, hello. What you show? I don't have show here. Muhammad, welcome back.